Hello everyone, I'm here with a speech on the topic smoking and chewing tobacco. Tobacco is a plant that produces leaves which are smoked in cigarettes and pipes, etc. Every year, more than 8 million people die from tobacco use. Most people take up smoking as a teenager, and there may be many reasons for this. For example, they may be influenced by the people around them who smoke, example like their families and friends. Let's look into some harmful effects of tobacco. Smoking causes cancer, heart disease, stroke, lung disease, diabetes, certain eye disease, and problems of the immune system. Tobacco use can damage a woman's reproductive health. For example, women who smoke are more likely to have a trouble getting pregnant. If someone is smoking near a baby, it can even affect the baby. A baby's exposure to second-hand smoke can also lead to respiratory illness after birth. If you are someone who is already addicted to tobacco and you are trying to quit, then here are some steps to help you get ready on your quit day. First of all, try to get rid of all the cigarettes and smokeless tobacco from your house and from your car. Secondly, practice saying no thank you, I don't use tobacco. Thirdly, stay busy. Try walking and try doing some exercise. Fourth, drink lots of water. Fifth, think about your past attempts to quit. Try to figure out what worked and what didn't. Before I conclude my speech, I want to encourage everyone to avoid smoking and chewing tobacco. Thank you and stay safe.